I have no doubt that having the letters FANZCA after your name is a badge of quality. It indicates the nature of training that you've had. If you've come from another country, that you work to the standards we expect of Australia and New Zealand anaesthetists. And so we can be confident with ourselves, but also to the patients and public about the quality of care they will receive during the perioperative period.
I am so proud to be a FANZCA. When I first started training in anaesthesia in Auckland many years ago, I was inspired to become an anaesthetist by FANZCAs who were working in the Auckland region.
I think the most important thing to me about being a FANZCA is the networking. It's called fellowship for a reason. I think that the support that we get from and give to each other, not just in further education and training right through our whole lives, but the social side of it and the lessons that we can all learn from across Australia and New Zealand and metro and rural are fantastic.
We are world renowned for the standards of anaesthesia that we provide, and with a FANZCA you can basically go anywhere in the world because it's a world-class training program.
I think being a member of the college is just a fantastic experience for our fellows, and we're very lucky. I don't think people within ANZCA realise that nearly everyone who practices as a specialist anaesthetist in Australia and New Zealand are a member of the college. That doesn't actually exist for a lot of the other colleges. Some of the members choose not to be. So we are very lucky, and I think that's a large part due to how good the organisation is.
The importance of being a FANZCA is that recognition of, it is a very highly skilled profession, and being trained by ANZCA and being part of the ANZCA family is that recognition that you have that high level of training, you have that ongoing professional development and continual professional development that keeps you up to date with the trends.
The importance of FANZCA and being a fellow of the college is that it shows that you have the very highest level of training. It shows that you are part of an organisation that is constantly improving safety, that constantly wants to research better ways of doing things. And I think that it's a community. It's a community of literally a fellowship, people coming together to improve care.
It tells me, and hopefully other people as well, that I've been through a rigorous initial training program, so I'm highly trained, and that also I've remained attached to those same standards professionally, medically, throughout my career.
It's important for the college to set the standard and lead the way in ensuring that standards of anaesthesia practice are maintained.
Being a fellow of the college is being part of something bigger than yourself. It's part of bringing together in a collegial way people who have similar interests and who value and care about the delivery of health to the community.
I think that being able to share with people that I'm a fellow of the college, even though people might not fully appreciate the level of training that we've gone through and the mentorship and the apprenticeship and the scientific development through the training program, I think it's a badge of honour and almost a stamp of quality.
I'm really, really proud to have FANZCA after my name. I don't tend to call myself doctor, I just introduce myself as Sarah to my patients. But I think it really is a hallmark of really good training, safety and patient care.
I'm very proud of our college for its generation of new knowledge and supporting research and innovation, because as a specialty that's going to be really important for making sure that we can continue to provide the best possible care for our patients now and into the future.